Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty and her mom. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the bottom right and we're going to draw Hello Kitty. Let's start with a small circle for the bow. And then on top, let's curve it up to the left, around, and back in. And the same on the bottom right. And then inside, let's add a curve. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve over on the left side. And then let's bring it up and curve it down for the first ear. And then for the right ear, on top of the bow here, let's curve it up and bring it down. Now top underneath the bow and let's draw a curve down and in for the side of the head. And the same thing on the left side. And then close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with a small sideways oval for the nose. And then for the eyes, let's draw two curves up and back down. And then on the sides, let's add three curves out for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Under the head, let's draw two curves down. And a curve across at the bottom. Now let's hop in, and at the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then let's add two circles for the buttons. Next, let's hop out and let's add the arms. Let's start with an angle down on both sides. Then a small bump up for the thumbs. And curve it down and back in. And then inside, let's add an angled line for the sleeves. Now top underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start inside the body and let's draw a line down, extending it underneath. And then let's curve it out on both sides at the bottom. Now top out and let's draw a curve down and in. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Hello Kitty. Now let's draw her mom behind on the left. Let's start on top of Hello Kitty's left ear and let's draw a curve up for the side of her head. Now let's continue the face on the other side of her ear by curving it over to the left and bring it up. Next on top, let's add the ears. On both sides, let's step down and let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back in, leaving a gap in the center for the hat. Now for the hat, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And then let's add 4 bumps underneath. Now inside the hat, let's add the bow. Let's start with a small circle and then curve it out, down, and back in on both sides. And then add a curve inside near the center. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and draw the face. Let's start with a sideways oval for the nose. And then 2 curves up and back down for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's add the whiskers. Let's draw 3 curves out on the left and 2 on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 angled lines down underneath. And then a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 more angles from the top and a line across the bottom. Now let's move down and let's continue drawing the dress. On the left, let's draw a long curve down. Now on the right, let's draw a curve down to Hello Kitty's face, continue it below to the hand, and then continue it underneath. And then let's draw a long curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop back up and let's draw the arms. On the left, let's angle it down and curve it in. And then let's add a curve inside. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve down to Hello Kitty's head. Now let's move to the bottom and let's draw the feet. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 curves down and out. And the same thing on the sides here. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Hello Kitty's mom. Lastly, let's add a few hearts around like this. And that's it for Hello Kitty and her mom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!